so everybody will be at fault. I don't want to do that, guys, so please do not shoot the lights. Again, they were expensive. I'm trying to make this a good thing for you guys, so don't shoot my lights, and there is no excuse of I accidentally shot them because they are 30 feet in the air. And you're not shooting beasts out here, so. All right, everybody ready to have some fun?
Yeah!
Let's get it cooking!
Smoke them, just keep shooting them. Crossing. I can't tell teams, bro. See that guy?
Yeah, from this direction. I don't think
got one right there.
Line right here, Joe. I don't think.
We can.
I don't think any of our team has though. I'm saying.
Oh yeah.
I think they're all working
Yeah.
here.
Got one. Do you see that where I'm shooting?
Yeah.
Right there?
Mm-hmm. The container, yep, right there.
Hit. One running left, right to left.
Come back. He's done.
You got the right to left, right?
Yeah. I want to the door.
See that right there? Right to left, right to left. We got him. There's a guy in this window right here.
You said what? No, he has not.
Eek, right here too. In that window. Oh, rip! Fuck, watch it. So much mud, holy shit. Got one! Outside pipes right here. Those double stack pipes on the left side. Past the 50. There was a guy behind it.
What's that 50?
No one. Got him. Oh. Right here on the left. For real?
Right here, Joe.
Fuck, reloading.
Bro, what the fuck? There we go. These little shits like to hide.